In this tutorial, we will learn how to perform an audit. If an audit has been assigned to you by your organization, it could show up in these two places. First, all of your scheduled audits will show under the My Scheduled Audits menu item on your homepage. Second, on top of your homepage, inside the box titled Scheduled Audits, you will see your upcoming audits. The topmost item here is typically the audit that needs to be completed soon. To start an audit, click on the Start button or on the upcoming audit itself. Here you can see the details of the audit. Remember, Step 1 to 3 will already be completed for you if you choose to click on the upcoming audit link. In this case, you only have to note down the workstation that you are going to audit. So let's hit Start. Now the audit has officially started. At this point, ideally you will be on the factory floor at this workstation, named Hatteber AMP70 HT1. If you started your audit on your cell phone or a tablet, you can bring it to the factory floor. So, in this audit instance, there happen to be 6 questions and we must answer all of the questions before we can submit this audit using this Submit button. Now, let's look at this audit question. The image above the question shows me exactly what an auditor should expect from an ideal state process. If I am satisfied with my observation on the factory floor, I will select Pass. Moving on to the next question. Let's say I'm not satisfied because I observed something amiss. So I will select Fail. I can attach a photo of the failure in real time and also explain my observations in this comment box. Moving on to the next question. Let's say my observation is that the associate has gone above and beyond what was required. So, after selecting Pass, I will click this Like button to share this best practice with the team so that it can be read across and applied to other areas. Moving on to the next question, here we can watch this short video clip to quickly understand what the ideal state process looks like. If I'm satisfied with the actual observation, I will select Pass. In the last question here, let's say I select Fail, but then let's say we fixed the issue then and there itself and no further action is required. In this case, check this box named Resolved at Once. It lets everyone know that the issue has been fixed. Now we are ready to review and submit this audit. Let's take a moment to ensure things look good. Looks like we are all set. Let's submit. And that's how we perform an audit. Before we end, let me tell you about this little box named My Audit Findings. It contains negative findings from your most recent audits. As you can see, these 2 items are from the audit that we just submitted. You can click on these findings to view details of the corrective action being taken by your organization. This ends our tutorial.